Back at your starters for LaSalle. You have familiar names. Big change is Jim Rodriguez starting here. Meanwhile, on the other side, very, very familiar names. Peng Tagibolos back in the fold for very, very strong programs as well. Reason why they're in the top 5. Ancheta will go for a one-handed set to Peng on the other side. Banjit going up to Gloria. Gloria off speed. That works for Eugene. One blocker only for Yoyong in that last sequence. Yoyong now serves. Ancheta going to Mukaba.
Mukaba, that statement quick for Ancheta coming off from a good pass. You can't really stop that hard spike. Hinihingi ng spike rin.
There's also skill involved, just like what we saw there. Leo Ordiales in adjustan. Not the best set that he got, but he was able to make something out of that. Great coverage here from LaSalle as we had a quick setters discussion here from Magi. Setup going to Yoyong Mendoza, who puts an exclamation point from the back row.
In the last, gives her a lot of variations.
Oh, it's that soft push coming from Budin, but still very effective. Ancheta, one-handed set going to Disquitado. On the other side, NJ choosing Gloria, but a solid block coming from Leo Ordiales.
That penalty.
Let's see if JJ Rodriguez, who was shown on your screens earlier, will be able to be a game changer here. Ancheta going up to Jade through the block, popped up there by Rodriguez. Gloria will set this one up. Adjustment coming from Hernandez from the back. Ancheta choosing Disquitado off the blockers this time. Hernandez play setter to Gloria. That is through the blockers.
And they're not gonna contest about it.
Coach Dante was just very coy about it on the sidelines. Ancheta going for that quick.
I feel like that's the strong side kasi when you're a middle blocker, you don't have a lot of options anymore. So you spike where kung saan ka nakaharap.
Yeah. And usually you would favor the right side unless kaliwete ka.
Yes.
Hit from LaSalle. LaSalle starting to catch up here. Mukaba favoring the right again, but still working.
Pasok niya. Effective talaga.
Ancheta seems to have this delay also with his sets with the middle, which is very effective. But that delay is very effective for Jade Disquitado, the number 2 LaSalle spiker in scoring.
And top 10 best scorer. He really stepped up when Campton, Maglinaw went on the pro leagues.
True naman. What's a good thing though is that evolution of Greg Ancheta. He's also starting to be very aggressive. But on the other side, a more aggressive player is Paolo Layog. 4 points to close this out for NU. LaSalle is behind by 6. That serve coming from Hernandez. Oh, Ordiales just makes it look so easy.
Have the time to
switch it up.
Yes, tumingin pa sa kabila.
Given his hang time, his height. Oh, what a set to Ordiales this time. He puts a hammer into it. Their favor, Tagibolos with that serve. Regidor going up to that quick to Rodriguez. On the other side, Greg choosing Leo off speed. Great pancake coming from Metiro. Yoyong with a chance ball. Ancheta going up to the open side. Disquitado going down the line. And that finishes it off for the Bulldogs. Again, they freed up a lot of space, and only Jade Disquitado is the sole hitter on that side. A back quick Mukaba. Ordiales kick things off in the set with a serve coming from Ancheta. That's picked up there by Gloria. They go for Hernandez. He's been missing. Regidor going up to Hernandez again. This time, he converts.
First set. So Regidor is trying to make Hernandez alive here in the second set.
That is unfazed siya. Hindi siya affected dyan. Nonchalant si Bud sa mga blockers lagi. Regidor going up to that back quick and Paolo Layog converts. That is his second point.
Different team dynamics from the side of LaSalle.
Let's see how that changes things up. Of course, pag setter, pinitan talagang palit na palit. But Isa Husseini says, I'm back. And
we heard from Isa Hosseini that, ayaw niya natatalo eh. That's why whenever
Mendoza now will be serving for the white shirts. Picked up there by Buds. Ancheta going up to Discretado. He's denied. Chance ball from NU. Let's see what LaSalle will do. Regidor going up to Saini.
Hosseini making...
Ilang taon na siya nandito.
Ibig sabihin talagang kaya niya kahit tatluhin niyo ako dito, kaya kong pumunta.
Ay, tingnan natin mamaya. Kasi, ito, wala ding paki sa blockers.
Speaking of...
They're maximizing and maintaining their 2-point lead here. Ordiales, though, makes it back to 1.
Let's take a look at that explosiveness coming from the back row. Just really spiking that and maximizing that one block.
Oh, who has been playing also a role for the Green Spikers. Really supporting them every...
Yoyong Mendoza.
Ordiales now to serve. Going for that jump serve. Picked up there by Eugene. Regidor going up to Gloria. Chance ball coming from Gapulto. Sky ball. Pick up there by Tier. They go to Isa.
This is a good matchup here. Mokaba versus Isa in front.
That serve coming from Discretado. From the back row was Eugene Gloria.
That's what
He knew where to bring it.
yes.
Very intentional yung drop ball niya doon. Yoyong from the back row. That is point number 11 for Mendoza. Ancheta with a serve. Picked up by Chris. Gloria set up to Hernandez. To the blockers was Chris Hernandez as point number 2 for Chris. Basag block. Lang talaga ginagawa ni Jade. Playing with that serve. Gloria with that setup. Chris from the back row. That works for Chris. That is point number 3 for Hernandez.
They're giving so much free points to NU.
Ordiales with that serve. Cross court was Yoyong. Oh! That stays alive. Gloria with an out of system adjustment. That is point number 8 for Eugene. Huwag niyo lang daw siya i-pressure.
Sabi niya, wait lang.
Oo. Hahabol siya. Ordiales this time with an answer for NU. And this is the possibility of a game that they could offer to all of us. Hernandez with the serve. They go up to Chris. That's popped up there by Jade. Buds from the left. Gloria from the back. He's denied by the triple block. Overshoot. Oh! Ancheta losing that one against Chris Hernandez.
Here, they have advantage. You have Budin and Tagibolos in front. Even Leo Ordiales in the back.
Let's see what they'll do. Ancheta going up to Leo! As predicted.
Right? Who else are you going through? Ordiales just smashing through that down the line. He has been targeting that zone.
Ancheta with a serve. Picked up there by Hernandez. They go up to that quick to Layog. This is when you pull out some surprises. Paulo Layog.
Now we have Gloria in front and Mendoza.
Hernandez with that serve. Ancheta going up to Ordiales. Oh! Nobody home for coverage. And that gives the second set to the Green Spikers.
Are getting their grooves here, and NU doesn't have a room for complacency as they are fighting for their twice-to-beat advantage in this game.
And they know if there's a team that can surprise them, it is the Green Spikers. It is one set of... That serve coming from Hernandez. They go up to Ordiales. Off the blockers was Leo.
Leo's starting here already. And it's a good thing that we have Redor inside the court. Kasi nag-iba yung dynamic ng setting.
Ibang pace naman.
Yes.
Ancheta going up to Discretado off the blockers. That's kept alive by Layog. Setup coming from Gloria. Chance ball coming from Regidor. Let's see Gapultos with that first ball. They go up to Discretado.
Still variations for Jay Discretado. Enough time for Jay Discretado to produce that off the block. Doesn't matter.
The Bulldogs, you know that they're locked in. 3-point lead for the Bulldogs, but an answer coming from Eugene Gloria.
Yeah, for them to spike a little longer kasi we are used to getting that the middle blockers spike directly, no? Pero mas mahirap kuhanin eh kasi
With her explanation, sumakto eh. Isa with that serve. Gapultos, pick up. They go up to Ordiales who goes down the line. But nakapuhunan ang NU dito. So there's a 4-point lead for the Bulldogs. Let's see what they'll do. Ordiales off speed. Regidor going up to Yoyong. Mendoza gets a check.
wow, it takes a lot of guts to go down the line because
Set up, going up to Gloria. He's denied. Isa tried. He's denied again. There's going to be a reaching beyond the net violation or infraction called against Lasal. Sila naman yung nawalan ng kumpiyansa. And that's really challenging. That's really going to be a challenge that's going to be posed by the defending champions all the time and by a higher seeded team. So was there a block touch? The answer. Speaking of some order, nako, may nangungulit sa atin dito ha. Let's say hi to Ayel Estaniero. Tawang-tawa daw siya na tinanong mo ako ng question kanina. Babawi ako, Ayel, mamaya. But ito, bumabawi Yoyong Mendoza from the right pin. Familiar face to the Bulldogs, NJ Fortuna. Together with NJ Banjit. Let's see how things will change with their entry. Disquitado going down the line. They find the line.
again, both teams are just compensating their errors in attacks. And you know, this is a good thing if you have already the leverage of points.
High attacking team itong NU as very offensive also in the net defense. And it's an 8-point lead for NU. That serve coming from Jade. They go up to Isa. Isa is denied.
They already have 6 errors here.
6-point game. Isa with that serve. Ancheta sets up Budin off speed. That finds a campfire hole right in the middle. Fortuna will be serving for the white shirts. Pick up there by Gapultos. Ancheta going to Disquitado from the pipe. That is point number 16 for Jade.
Yes.
That's injury prone. Solid serve.
Good
Pick up
set.
to Ordiales off the blockers. Kept alive there by Mendoza. That push coming from the middle from Peng. Gloria was there to Disquitado. They go up to Ordiales. Popped up by Hernandez. Gloria will try. Jade was there. Oh, a miscue on the set, but ball is still alive. And that becomes a point for NU. Paulo Layog with his serve. Picked up there by Jade. They go up to Ordiales. Touched by Layog. That is going to be set point for NU. 4 set points in the favor of NU. Yoyong to serve. Pick up there by Buds. They go up to Disquitado! Ganun bumawi.
One more time at that hard hit cross with all his powers. Just wow, ending that set with a bang.
Finding the seam right between the two blockers. And the late block also, great decision coming from Greg Ancheta.
So they're going for a big win here.
Yeah, they're trying to have a better finish. Something that is good to remember to close their season 88. NU though, definitely. Mendoza with a serve picked up there by Budin. Greg going to Mukaba. He now matches his output in that game against UE at 10. Who will be playing their swan song. So expect them to play all out here. Set up going to Ordiales. That push, he is denied there by Chris Hernandez. Serve coming from Regidor. They go up to Budin. Oh, solid block coming from the graduating Paulo Layog.
He heard you. And that game, I think, would be a preview of the semifinals already.
Because they're currently number 2 and number 3. The question is, will NU get the advantage? And this game will be the answer to that. So poised to beat advantage. Hernandez off the blockers. Gapultos was there. Set up. Going to the back row to Jade. On the other side, bump set. Going to Yoyong. Oh, a solid denial coming from the Bulldogs.
That was the third block.
Mendoza. Ancheta will serve. Picked up there by Hernandez. They go up to Layog. The graduating player gets a point. It's a bit too low on that release. Hernandez picked up there by Jade. Oh, a tough first ball. Adjustment coming from NU. Let's see what LaSalle will do. Let's see how they maximize. Regidor going for combination, but the blocking has been established courtesy of Peng Taquibolos. That is point number 6 for the Cavs.
This combination plays, but it was well anticipated by Peng Taquibolos. Kita-kita natin yung reach.
Serve coming from Layog. Ancheta going up to Disquitado down the line. Read well there by Regidor. From the open side was Gloria. Isa with a chance. Isa with that first ball. Regidor going up to Gloria. Kept alive by Gapultos. They go up to Disquitado with that push. Fortuna is on the floor. They go up to Ordiales, right behind the blockers. Regidor one-handed set. That push coming from Isa. Dump coming from Leo. Oh, and the finish coming from Fortuna.
That was a good hit for Fortuna.
As you look at the that's the overshoot of a set. Husseini going for that push. So will this be counted as reaching beyond? Yes, that is. You don't want to see that.
Mortal sin, kumbaga.
Yeah, especially if you are Coach Dante Linsunurin. This is a player that may be young, but with so much experience as Disquitado. Goes cross court.
And you want to challenge the reception of LaSalle.
That serve coming from Gloria, over received. Oh, great block anticipation coming from Ancheta from that Isa Regalo. Oh, Gapultos keeps it alive. Ordiales with a chance ball. Let's see. Isa sets up Chris. Gapultos with that first ball. Nobody home for the second ball. It is tied at 18, folks. It is so weird. LaSalle ang humahabol, pero mas mukhang rattled ang NU sa mga nangyayari. First ball better for NU. Disquitado will try. He's denied. They go up to Ordiales with that push. Flores was there. Regidor going up to Fortuna. And now LaSalle takes the lead. Jade with that serve. Picked up there by Retiro. Husseini coming alive at the right time. 20-20. Execution is always the question.
Yes.
Coaches can give a million instructions, but it's up to the players inside the court. Regidor going up to Layog, who ties things at 23. Chris Hernandez serves. Tough moments that we have here. What a serve. Picked up by Disquitado. They go up. Budin with that push. Kept alive there by NU. Scramble on the side of the Bulldogs. From Taft, they go to Fortuna. Popped up by Ancheta. Ball is still alive. Regidor going to Fortuna. Soft touch. Gapultos was there. Long rally we're having here. Budin finishes off. Buds with that serve. They are at match point advantage. Off the block. And Eugene Gloria says not yet. If they'll be able to force this one out. Matthew Abbott continues to serve. What a jump serve. Husseini. Oh, this is still alive. Regidor going up to Gloria, who says we are going to a fifth and decider set. There by Hernandez. Regidor going up to Fortuna. He has been on fire. Really going for those touches. Disquitado, Budin rather, with that serve. They go up to Fortuna. So far, Fortuna has been firing up this LaSalle offense. Layog will be serving. They go up for a push that is not going to cross. Layog, who is graduating with that serve. Off the block was Leo Ordiales, tied at 4.
there.
Yeah, we have just to see that
Mhm.
calmness that he showed in the third set. Oh, Gloria making it look simple.
There has been a...
Fortuna with the serve. Pick up there by Gapultos. They go up to Mukaba on that quick. 5-all. Ordiales with that serve. Regidor going up to the back quick. Read well there by Makatangay, but a net infraction yet again for National University. Eugene Gloria with the serve. Pick up there by Jade. They go up to Disquitado. Off the blockers. Regidor will set this one up to Isa. Makatangay was there. They go up to Ordiales from the back row.
I would just like to comment Makatangay B.
Disquitado with that serve. They go up to Hernandez. Because that's off the block. His last game in the UAP on your screens earlier. Picked up
Perfect
there
pass.
by Gloria. Better passing that we're seeing here. Hernandez, he's denied. Hernandez on the second try. Oh, that's off the hands of Ordiales. 1 point game in favor of Lasal Ezer on that serve. Oh, Peng Tagibolos putting some muscle into that.
Bumawi si Peng.
Ancheta with that serve. Oh, what a hit for Paulo Layo. That is point number 10, and he is the fourth.
To your teammates.
How do you like to remember your last game? Makatangay to serve. Pick up there by Retiro. They go up to Fortuna.
MJ Fortuna has
Lasal.
been...
Pick up there by Makatangay. They go up to Ordiales. That is through the block for Leo. Tied at 10. Jonas Hernandez serving for NU. That was almost an ace. They go up to Disquitado off the blockers. LaSalle keeping this alive. Gloria down the line for Eugene.
Here in set 5.
Fortuna with that serve. They go up to Ordiales. That's off the hands of Fortuna. That's going to be a point.
Perfect pass here.
Oh, Eugene Gloria. As we will be having the resolution of this challenge that is clearly in. Let's see. If babalik siya doon sa ganong ways. That was serve. That answer coming from Jade Disquitado.
Back on the floor.
Yeah.
He has been really a threat too.
Someone who's playing his last game in the UAP, that is always a threat. They go to Makatangay with that push on the other side. Regidor choosing Hernandez, who gets that through the block and gives LaSalle match side.
They are protecting here the blockings.
Let's see. NU going to Mukaba. He's rejected. They're going to Ordiales. This time it's through the block.
This has been the specific instruction.
1 point to win and 1 point to extend. Mukaba with that serve picked up by Gloria. They go up to a block. That is a solid block coming from Tagibolos. Chance ball coming from LaSalle. Let's see what NU will do. They go up to Budin, who goes cross court.
Budin says we're not yet done here.
Something that has been building up and bubbling up in the last few years. Mukaba with the serve picked up there by Gloria. Regidor going up to the quick. Layog ties things over. And how poetic that it is the graduating player on. Just the best moment that they could have this. That serve coming from Regidor. Ancheta going for that quick peng. Hinabaan on the other side. Hernandez forcing a shot. LaSalle fans celebrating.
Point na puntusan ng mga middle blockers nila.
It's about changing your energy.
Yes.
Ball is still alive. Budin will make something out of this. That is out. Are they gonna get a check? Teams have one. Oh! There you have it. LaSalle, emotional as it can be, wins their final game.
This is a good statement that you want to impart to your players, that even in your last playing year, or if you're given the chance na makapasok